Hello students, in this video we will discuss about some specific trigonometric ratios of some angles as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree or 90 degree are given in your book, but how to find the value of these angles we will discuss here. See carefully. First we find for 30 degree and 60 degree both on same are together. First for 30 degree and 60 degree. For this, first make a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle or an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle A, B and C. Draw a perpendicular from vertex A to the BC. Sorry, this is not isosceles triangle, this is equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle and draw a perpendicular from vertex A on BC. This is AD. That means triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, that is AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to suppose small a, and draw AD perpendicular BC. AD perpendicular BC. Now, if AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to A, then this will be A and ABC equal to A. So BD will be half of BC or CD will be half of BC because this is a right equilateral triangle. So this will be A by 2 and A by 2. Since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, then one thing right here, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C, because in any right angle triangle all angles are equal and this will be is equal to 60 degree. That means this angle will be 60 degree and this whole angle will be also 60 degree. This whole angle will be 60 degree. But if we draw a perpendicular from A on BC, then this perpendicular line divide the whole angle A into two equal parts and this angle will be 30 degree. Means angle CAD equal to 30 degree. That is, if we draw AD perpendicular BC, then angle CAD equal to angle BAD equal to 30 degree. Now we are going to in right angle triangle CAD. In right angle triangle CAD, because this angle is 90 degree. So triangle CAD will be 90 degree. And here AC and CD both sides, length of both sides are given. So first we should be find the length of AD by the Pythagoras theorem. Now in right angle triangle CDA, AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. That means square of hypotenuse equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. This is the AD. Now putting the value of AC, AC means A square, AC square means A square, AD, this is the unknown, that means we should write AD square, plus CD, CD square means A upon 2 whole square. Now you can write this A square and transfer A upon 2 whole square on the left side. This will be A square upon 4 equal to AD square. Now taking the LCM 4, then this will be 4A square minus 1A square equal to AD square. This will be 4A square minus A square, that means 3A square upon 4 equal to AD square. Imply that AD equal to, we should be taking square root on both sides, then this will be root under 3 upon 2 into A. This is the value of AD or length of AD. Since you can see here, this is, we will highlight this, AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to A, and BD equal to CD equal to A by 2, and AD equal to root under 3 by 2A. Now we will derive or we will find first value of 60 degree, value of 60 degree in all ratios, that means sine, cos, tan, cot and sec and cosec. Now first, in triangle ACD, sine of 60 degree, angle is 60 degree, sine of 60 degree equal to, as you know that trigonometric ratios, sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So for 60 degree, AD will be perpendicular, AC will be hypotenuse and CD will be base. Now perpendicular is root under 3 upon 2 into A. So perpendicular equal to root under 3 upon 2 into A whole upon hypotenuse is the A. Hypotenuse is A. A and A will be cancelled. This will be root under 3 by 2. That means trigonometric ratio sine 60 degree equal to root under 3 by 2. Now cos of 60 degree equal to, as you know that cos of theta, that means base upon hypotenuse. For the 60 degree, base will be CD and hypotenuse will be AC. Sine 60 degree equal to base upon hypotenuse means base is A by 2, CD means A by 2 and hypotenuse means A. That means this is the A. So A and A will be cancelled. This will be 1 by 2. That means cos of 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. And tan theta means tan 60 equal to, as you know that perpendicular upon base. Now here perpendicular is root under 3 by 2A, root under 3 by 2A upon base is A by 2, A by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. A and A will be also cancelled. This will be root under 3. That means tan of 60 degree equal to root under 3. Now you can write the value of cosec 60, sec 60 and cos 60, because cot 60 is the reciprocal of tan 60, sec 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60 and cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sin 60. Now you can write here, therefore cot of 60 equal to 1 by tan of 60 equal to 1 by root under 3. Sec of 60 equal to 1 by cos of 60 equal to 1 by cos of 60 is 1 by 2 equal to 2. Cosec of 60 equal to 1 by sine of 60 equal to 1 by root under 3 by 2 equal to 2 by root under 3. Now here I have written sine 60 equal to root under 3 by 2 while cosec 60 equal to 2 by root under 3 because both are reciprocals. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 while sec 60 equal to 2. Tan 60 equal to root under 3 while cot 60 equal to 1 by root under 3. From the same figure, same scenario, we can find the all trigonometric ratios of for the 30 degree because 30 degree here given, since sine of 30 equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now check in this right angle triangle CDA for the 30 degree, CD will be perpendicular, AD will be base and AC will be hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that means A upon 2 upon A and A cancel 1 by 2. Tan of 30 equal to perpendicular upon base. So for the 30 degree, perpendicular will be root under 3 by 2 into A upon base equal to A by 2. A by 2 and A by 2 will be cancelled. This will be root under 3. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular for the for 30 degree, perpendicular will be CD. That means A by 2 upon base will be AD. That means root under 3 by 2 into A. A and 1 by 2 cancel. This will be 1 by root under 3. And cos of 30 equal to for this base upon hypotenuse equal to base for 30 degree, AD will be base. AD will be base means root under 3 by 2 into A upon hypotenuse means A. This and this will be cancelled, root under 3 by 2. That means we have find sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, tan 30 equal to 1 by root under 3 and cos 30 equal to root under 3 by 2. Therefore we can write reciprocals of sine, tan and cos. Reciprocal of sine means cosec 30. We can write directly if the value of sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, that means cosec 30 equal to 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2. Cot of 30 equal to, if tan 30 equal to 1 by root under 3, then reciprocal of this will be root under 3. And sec of 30 equal to, since cos 30 equal to root under 3 by 2, so reciprocal of this will be 2 by root under 3. This is the value of sine 30, cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, cot 30 and sec 30. Now we have find 30 degree value trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Now we will discuss about 45 degree in the next video.